Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Google Chrome black screen issues you might be experiencing. So we're basically just going to go about resetting our Google Chrome web browser here, so hopefully this shouldn't be too big of a deal, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Google Chrome web browser if you don't already have it open, which I would hope to assume most of you guys already do. And once the Google Chrome web browser is open, you want to navigate over to the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser. Right now it's 3 vertical dots. I'm just going to left click on that one time. And then I'm going to go down and left click on settings. Now I'm going to scroll down this page until I get to advanced settings. All the way at the bottom. I'll left click to expand that. And now you want to go down all the way to reset and clean up, and then you want to select restore settings to their original default. So left click on that. It says that this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. Left click on reset settings to commence this process. It will take a moment, so just please be patient. And once that is done, I would suggest restarting your web browser, and hopefully that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.